Look at the Sunday fall apart pot roast. It is stress-free and delicious. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Stay tuned and let's cook. My main ingredient for today is my beef chuck. Look at how good looking that is. The eyes part is in the middle, the fatty side. This is just perfect. The fat is a taste trigger. Okay, if you get yours already well trimmed from butcher, this is perfect. But I just don't want to trim out anything here because I don't want to let any part go. Okay, and also you want to go for the quantity you want for today for your meal for your guests. So that this is just a Sunday meal and it is super perfect for my day. Okay, for my guests, what I did was to tap dry first, make sure there is no liquid left behind, and then go in with enough salt. You want to generously season with salt. If you care, you can as well season with some cracked pepper as well. The second main ingredients for today are my veggies. I have my celery and also I have my carrots. I have about 6 carrots for today, which is more like almost very important in pot roast. I love onions so much, so I have 5 medium onions. I have my potato, which will be the side dish for today's recipe. Now what I would do right now is to clean up all my veggies and cut in this form just to achieve your meal well. When that is done, you want to set your veggies aside for now. Let me use this opportunity to say thank you so much to my returning subscribers for always tuning in. I appreciate you all so much. If this is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Annie Krieger. You are highly welcome to my channel. Thank you, I appreciate you. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you. Now, this is the fun part for me, the cooking part. What you want to do is to get a pot that is capable to braise in the oven. If not, you want to end up transferring in a dish and braise. But for today, I have a pot. This is my favorite braised pot. Okay, what I did was to introduce some amount of sunflower oil and seal up my chuck. Okay, so you want to make sure every part is well sealed up. Now when you do this, one thing you want to prevent is moving your beef in the pot at the period of sealing it up. Make sure when you introduce in a hot pot, just don't move around. Just let it braise to achieve that nice gold brown color. When you are done with that, you want to set aside in the same pot. If you have too much oil, which shouldn't be, you want to scoop out some oil. If not, introduce the celery and the onion. Go ahead and roast a little bit to achieve that nice roast aroma, and then go in with some sliced garlic, go in with your thyme, go in with rosemary, and now we will go in with our tomato paste. Do not worry about this. I will leave all the ingredients in the description box. After introducing all your spices, you want to continue to roast without letting them get burnt. Now declare with your red wine. If you are not the type of red wine or wine, please skip it. Like I will always say, alcohol, bringing in red wine here is just for the flavor. After cooking for hours, the alcohol will be cooked off and leave behind the beautiful taste. Okay, now you want to bring back your sealed beef in the pot, add in your beef broth, and then go in with your potatoes, if you are going for potato as a side dish. Okay, so I forgot to add in my Dijon self earlier, so now I am going in with my Dijon self. Make sure you just incorporate that in. Adding your broth, it should be enough for you to cook all these for about 2 hours first. Altogether, I did this, I braised for 4 hours. Yes, okay, so before I go ahead, I will add in my peppercorn and then go in with bay leaf. Now cover up and braise for 2 hours first. Then we will come back and check what it looks like. This is one thing I love about braised meal. You can pop it up in the oven and go do whatever you want to do. Have your wine, read your book, do some house chores, or go for some shopping. I went for some grocery shopping. Coming back 2 hours later, this is what I have. It looks absolutely good. You want to flip to the other side. If I didn't say this earlier, I braised at 170 degrees C for 2 hours. 2 hours later, go in with your carrot. I didn't add my carrot earlier because I didn't want to overcook them. So now I did not season with salt. I forgot to say earlier. I only seasoned the beef with salt. If your broth has already been seasoned, you don't need to add salt again, because the more you reduce all that, the intensiver it's going to be. Okay, now 4 hours later, our beef is ready. It depends on the quantity, the size of the beef you are going for. If you have a smaller one, of course, you will braise lesser time. So mine was about 4 hours. I started this in the morning, early in the morning, and before you know it, for lunchtime, it was ready. Now, taking off your beef and separate the potato, your carrots, you want to go for your gravy. Okay, if you want, you can serve just like that with your gravy, but I want to have that fine, beautiful gravy. So what I did was to strain out. Okay, this is what I have. You want to get a smaller bowl, introduce cornstarch, add in some liquid, some water, stir and thicken up your sauce. Okay, and after then, this is what we have. Super good looking gravy. At this point, you need gravy for pot roast. It is the most important for me. It is the most important part. The gravy is just perfect. This is what I have, lovelies. It is looking super good, my gravy. Okay, I will set aside. Now everything is ready to serve. Just get a fork or use your hand and pull down those giant beef. Like I said earlier, if you have a smaller one, of course it is lesser time to braise. If not, you just have to do this, and it is looking super good. Thank you all so much. It tasted amazing. And also, if you want to go for any other side dish, it is possible with some mashed potatoes, some pasta, whatever you want to go for. Just have the nice gravy to pair all that together. I'll leave a link in the comment section how to braise a nice beef short ribs, and also the side dish. It is delicious. That recipe also, it's something similar also. So thank you all so much. This is what I did. Plate, just use a fork, smash your potato a little bit, and plate to have that high ketchup for your guests, and you are good to go. Don't forget to leave your opinion down below, and see you in my next one. Thank you all so much. Bye for now.